Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will show you exactly how to make Firefox your default browser in Windows 11. If you've just installed Firefox and want every link to open automatically in it, this guide will help you do that quickly and easily. Let's begin the steps. First, right-click on the Start icon in your taskbar. Next, click on Settings from the list that appears. Once the Settings window opens, click on Apps from the sidebar on the left. Then, choose Default Apps from the options. Now, scroll through the list, or use the search bar at the top to find Firefox. Once you find it, click on it. You'll see an option that says Set Default, go ahead, and click it. This will make Firefox the default browser for all your web links and online activities. That's it for today. You've learned how to set Firefox as your default browser in Windows 11. This simple change can make your browsing experience faster and more secure. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.